Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are well and fine. Today we'll learn about a new topic that is news and making. So, what do you think? What is news? There are various definitions about news, like when some people say that news is formed from four words, that is NEWS. N means north, E means east, W means west, and S means sound. That means that the news comes from all the four directions. One more definition is new plus S. So news is the plural of new. Some people say also the such things. So when they say anything which is new is news. So there are various definitions, there are various meanings of news. So we will study in detail. There is a one statement written below it is when man bites a dog. Yes, what do you think? So when man bites a dog is a news. If dog bites a man is not a news. But if man bites a dog is news. Okay. Then there are certain definitions given by certain philosophers and authors. So these that we study what these definitions says to us. So, according to Oxford Dictionary, it defines news as new information, the report of latest incident. So, according to Oxford Dictionary, it says something new information, any information that is new or the report of latest incident, any incident that is latest. So here are two terms. First is new information and second is latest incident. So news consists of anything new, any new information, so the information which is known to unknown to others, and that is latest, that is just happening, just an accident happened, just an incident happened, just the latest event, anything, any event happened, any latest development happened. So latest incident and the new information. Then according to Gerald W. Johansson, what he says, news is the report of such incidents as in writing them a first-rank journalist feels satisfied. So, what is news? News is the report of such incident. So it says it talks about the incidents. Those incidents in writing them, to write them, to report them. A journalist, a first-rank journalist, feels satisfied. Any report, any writing which satisfies a journalist is a news. A report of an incident which satisfies a journalist is a news. Then according to William F. Brooke, news is in fact a synonym of unexpected. So, what it says, news is a synonym of unexpected. So, here is the main term is unexpected. What he says, news एक प्रायवाची है, कुछ भी unexpected है, कुछ भी हमें अनुमानित नहीं है, हमें पर पता नहीं है क्या होगा. So, news is unexpected. Then is William Stead. What he says, everything which is extraordinary and unusual is news. What he says, news is anything which is extraordinary. That is not an ordinary thing, that is a news. That is anything but that is not usual, that is unusual to us, that is unique to us. Unique is the main element, unusual is the main element. Then, Carl Warren. What Carl Warren says, News is usually a report which is not known to the layman before its presentation. This report deals with such activities of men as are as interest of that is a source of interest, entertainment or information to the readers. So, what Karl Warren says, news is usually a report which is not known to the layman for its present, which means what it says. It says a layman is what a common man. The news which is not known to the common man before its presentation, before its telecasting, before its forecasting, before it's printed in the newspaper, which is not known to the common person. When we get the news, when it is broadcasted by any radio or in TV channel, through the print media, through newspaper, that news reaches to us. So news is usually a report. It is a report, एक खाका है किसी चीज का, किसी इंफॉर्मेशन का, एक इंफॉर्मेशन है जब उसको प्रेजेंट किया जाता है एक लेमैन को, एक कॉमन पर्सन. So, and then he says this report deals with such activities of men as are as a source of interest, entertainment, information. So what this includes? A source of interest and entertainment and information. So there should be three elements: source of interest, entertainment and information. Next,